right, here we go. Hey everybody, we are here at Caliber Car Wash in Wilmington, North Carolina with a pretty nice PECO tunnel, I must say. And we are going to go to the gates. Sorry, it's just that it has been a long day of driving, and now I am finally all right, I'm now going to the gates, and they have 30, 25, 19, 10. Might not get the biggest one, but we'll get the one with the buff and shine. All right, and here we go. It's a pretty nice car wash. There's a high pressure spray as well. Alrighty, and that was a beautiful wash. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and peace out, everybody.